Hello friends, very warm welcome Sri Babubhai Ponda Junior College Dahanu. Friends, today we are going to learn blog writing, that is 3.2 of our syllabus, writing skill, blog writing. Friends, you are quite familiar with writings, newspapers, television. See here, icebreakers. A blog is a discussion on informational website published on the World Wide Web, that is www. Before blog writing became popular, people used to write, share their articles, write-ups, etc. through various media, that is newspaper. Now we have technology, we have internet, and that's why people, they write on website, their own website, discuss in pairs the various mass media available for people to express their views and complete the web given below. Now here it is a completion task, web is given here. So see here the web mass media, first one, that is for you newspaper. Now here it is a copy mass media, and in that mass media newspapers are there, internet is there. Media means to means to communicate, and here social media, we know that internet, then television, we communicate, we get knowledge, magazines are there, and radio. Writing is considered to be one of the most challenging, demanding, and lucrative careers in the world. Now here match the professions in table A with their descriptions in table B, and also what they are called from table C. Means three tables are given. We have to match that tables. Here the profession in A column, B column description, and C column known as. Now see here, blog writing, story writing, long lyric writing, academic writing, translating, newspaper writing, column writing, screenwriting, fictional novel writing, drama play writing. These are the 10 things are there, professions are there, and here description, their description means in short their definitions. First one, here it is given, writes in scientific journals, university, magazine, etc. as a result of their studies and research. Means here what it known as. Again in column C, translator, definitely it is not that. Now we have to match all the pairs with their meanings. So here let us see how it is. Blog writing, writes, publishes an information, piece, views, opinions, etc. on www, that is World Wide Web. Means this is the meaning of blog writing. And blog writing, whosoever writes blog, known as by profession blogger. Second one, story writing. We know that writer is there, story writer, and writes in short on one or more genres of fiction in magazines or anthologies, etc. Here it is known as story writer. Third one, song lyric writing, means here songwriter and lyricist, we can say, writes lyrics, songs for films, plays, etc. on given topic, that is songwriter. Fourth one, academic writing, writes in scientific journals, university magazines, etc. as a result of their studies and research, is known as academic writer. Means who writes books. Now Fifth one, translating. Obviously, whosoever translate, that is translator, translates an original work from one language into another language, from, for example, from English into Marathi, or Marathi into English. So translator. Newspaper writing, we know that whosoever writes newspaper, that is journalist, correspondent, journalist we can say, writes in national, state or local newspaper as a staff member. Here, column writing, writes on trends or comments on issues in column every day or weekly, that is columnist. Means once again this columnist also writes in a newspaper also. Screenwriting, writes scripts for films, movies, etc. So screenplay writer. Fiction, novel writing, novelist we can say, writes long stories of fiction, non-fiction in other genres like novelist. Drama playwriting, writes for theatre on genres like fiction and non-fiction, historicals, etc. That is a dramatist, we can say playwright also. These are the things. Now blog writing. Let us see. Do you know what blogs are? In the beginning, a blog is a write-up that people share online, and it dates back to 1994, means it's starting. In this online journal, you could talk about your daily life or share things you do. However, people got an opportunity to communicate information in a new way. So began the beautiful world of blogging, means new platform we have to write, that is social media, with the help of internet, with the help of website. So here, a blog, shortening of weblog, is known as, this is the definition or the information about blog, is an online journal or informational website displaying information in the reverse chronological order with latest post appearing first. It is platform where a writer or even a group of writers share their views on an individual subject. Each entry is called a post. So it is about blog. What is a blog anyway? Another information, another definition of blog, here it is taken from internet. In short, a blog is a type of website that focuses mainly on written content, also known as blog post. In popular culture, we most often hear about news, blogs, or celebrity blog site, but as you will see in this guide, you can start a successful blog on just about any topic imaginable. Means here it is about a blog. You can also write your blog, you can create your own blog. Now blog structure. Here the appearance of the blog change over the course of time, means as technology that develop, it changes the structure of blog. Most blogs include some standard features and structure. Here are some common features that a typical blog will include. Means here, friends, this all information taken from our textbook 3.2 blog writing, writing skill. See here the header, means blog has a header with the menu or navigation bar. On internet you will see main content area with highlighted or latest post, latest blog posts. Sidebar with social profiles, favorite content or call to an action, means there is a sidebar also, header also, then main content area, sidebar, footer also. Your footer with relevant links like a disclaimer, privacy policy, contact page, etc. Means in footer it is given, means blog has header and footer also. See here, here's a list of reasons why people blog, means why we write, why we create blog, and how blogging can benefit your personal or professional life, means how it is helpful. So first one, express yourself and share your passions. Make a difference. It makes a difference. Share interesting information you can share. Then refine your writing skill, improve your writing skill. Learn how to make money online, means you can learn how to make money online. This is the benefit of, that's why we write a blog, or the bloggers write. Build your professional network, means you can build your own professional network with the help of blog. Earn more media exposure, means you can expose media, and this is the benefits of blog, and that's why we write blog. Now importance of blog, the same it is. Importance of blog, blogs refine your thoughts. Second, blogs reward the creator, means whosoever create that blog. Blogs increase knowledge, yes, definitely. Blogs connect to us, to our people. Blog give introverts a voice, means it is a voice to introverts, means introverts personality, those people they are not talking in society, or very little talking, their nature. Such type of introvert personality, they could write with the help of social media. So it is a very good platform for them, to introvert persons. Blogs reward the new age publishers. It gives new age publishers reward. Blogs accelerate discovery, different types of discoveries that accelerate, means gear up. Blogs open up a world without borders, means here it is a world without borders, full of knowledge. Everything you will get from every subject, means you will get the knowledge of every subject. Let's go ahead. Friends, how to write blog post in 5 easy steps. Now 5 easy steps. First one, plan your blog post by choosing a topic, creating an outline, conducting research, and checking facts. First, you plan your topic, means what topic you have to choose, and on what creations you have to do, creating an outline map in your mind, that is conducting research and checking facts. This is the first step, you have to plan. Now second step, give it an attractive title. When you plan, then give it title, attractive title. Third step, draft a headline that is both informative and will capture the reader's attention, means your headline should be very attractive so that readers will read. And fourth one, have an introduction, lead and concluding paragraph, means introduction should be there, concluding paragraph should be there. That sum of the blog post. Add your personal experience, sometimes you have to narrate your personal experience. Use images to enhance your post, so different types of images to enhance your post, means so that it should be very attractive. Improve its flow, add humor, and explain complex topics. Some complex topics are there, in that topics you have to add some humor, and very humorously you have to explain. Use short paragraph, simple and short sentences, words, your simple words should be there, short sentences should be there, so that reader will read. Now step 5, edit your blog post. Before posting, you have to edit your blog post. Make sure to avoid repetition, means no repetition should be there. Read your post aloud to check once again its a flow. Have someone else read it, or give it to read to someone else, so that you could minimize, you could just remove drawbacks or the mistake. Provide feedback, keep sentences and paragraphs short. Once again, it is alright to delete or modify your writing at the last moment. End your post with discussion question. So this is the things. See here, this is the example from our textbook, that is Utsav Goa, means how it is blog is given. See here, the headers are there topmost, sidebar is there, and some decoration, that is a lightning lamp or something that you have to add features that is a beautiful templates you have to choose. This is the only the screenshot of our textbook. So you can write this one, Utsav Goa. Here Diwalicha Farad. So Diwalicho Faral, that is the name of means language, that is of a Goan language. So it's written, it's a Diwali time in India, means this is the writing about Diwali celebration from Goa. This blog is there, means a blogger is from Goa and he has written, or he or she has written this one. The entire country is celebrating Diwali. Here is wishing you all a very happy Diwali. In India, Diwali is a festival which is celebrated by all religions together, but with different traditions and rituals. The festival is at the heart of Goan culture, marked by Goan charm. Means this is the writing about Diwali, and blogger is from Goa, and that's why the language also used, that is a Goan language. So like the same, means information about Diwali, important information, how they celebrate Diwali festival in India, how they celebrate, how the rituals are there, everything. So friends, you read in your textbook, open your textbook, see there on this Utsav Goa, write that. So here it is only for practice. Dhanotrayodashi, Narak Chaturdashi, Lakshmi Puja, then Bali Pratipada, means these are the days of Diwali. Then last days, that is the 5 days, last day of Diwali, Bhau Bij, means here the love expressed by brothers and sister. So here it is. So friends, you please read that. And here it is given. So blog writing is like this. So here it is another example of blog. Sri Tushar Chavan sir from Chalisgaon, he has created his blog, Junior College Teachers Blog. So on his blog, you will see different types of activities, every information, videos, and all these things you will see there. This is the only the format of blog. Here it is a sidebar, header also, footer also, and information. Here 2.6 money that is given, means 12th standard poem it is. Let's go ahead. Now brainstorming. What brainstorming means? You have to complete all these points, go through the text again to understand the important features of blog, discuss various blogs and their features with your friends. You have to discuss, you have to visit website or any blog. See here, feelings. A blog helps us to express our feelings, to express our passion, to express or to improve our writing skill, or to improve our professional network, to increase our knowledge, to increase our professional ability, to increase our profession also. So here so many things are there, you have to complete in your homework notebook. We all know that blogs can be written on many topics. Your teacher will divide, means now we will make a group, and in a group wise you have to write blog or the topic on that topic. Here to make a list of various topics on which blogs are normally written, one is given to you. Your social awareness, means this is the topic, and social awareness about literacy, about population, about something that or you can write on the topic global warming. See here what is given, health and fitness you can write. Then child labor, on child labor, this is the problem of our Indian society, this is the stigma, so you can write about child labor. Man versus nature, means how we have disturbed our nature and the consequences of nature. So you can write here man versus nature, means these are the topics in your notebook you have to complete. Now see here, go through the blog given in the text and also refer to different blogs on internet about various social environmental hazards. Now write a blogs on the following topic: earth with no trees, say no to tobacco, man versus nature, child labor, a curse to humanity, just we have seen, Now friend, see here, this is the example, say no to tobacco. See first one, header, that is the only the picture screenshot of your computer screen. So on computer it will appear like this only, sidebar, then here footer, information about that privacy, private policy, then here sidebars are there, you can write your blog, create your blog. So here, say no to tobacco. Humans are supposed to be the most involved creatures on this planet. Now this is the only a picture. So go through, or you can make a screenshot of this. You can write this, say no to tobacco, in your homework notebook. Then second topic, man versus nature. Here it is a template, beautiful template that is given on internet. You can visit internet, see different types of blogs are there. You can create your own blog. See here you can write, make a screenshot of this. You can write in your homework notebook. Man versus nature. It is given here information. You can read later on. So friends, I hope you better go through. Here prepare a word register for writing a blog by choosing a particular topic of your own choice. Now before writing you have to make some list of words, that is a register of words. You can write an environment, pollution, education. These are the topics you can write. For example, word register for a blog on environment could be, means example it is given, trees, mountains, climate, oxygen, that is ozone layer, biodiversity, coral reefs, green cover, biodegradable, means these are the words you can take help of these words and write about environment. So many words are there. First you make that list of words, first you plan that topic in your mind and then write about that topic. Now say this one, activity 4A4. Given below are few topics for blog writing. Discuss and write. That is a personality development. These are the topics. Health and fitness, just we have seen that. Social dynamics, communication skill, and self defense. These are the topics you have to discuss with your friends, with your group, and you have to complete or write these blogs. One or two examples of this blog in your homework notebook. Go through this. Now here we have completed our topic blog writing, how to write blog. Thank you very much.